Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader Exotic Gardening and Sheri and Richerson.com. Please subscribe. Hit that join button, join our membership. Leave comments below. We do appreciate comments and we try to respond. We do read them, and it's nice to see what people think of what we're doing. We had some nasty wind today. I had planned on getting up this morning, getting outside, working on the fence for the pasture, and, accomplishing something today. We had some rain early this morning, and we had a wind advisory with some really nasty winds. So plans changed. We did a few other little things here and there for a little while. I did eventually get out there, managed to dig a hole and put up a wooden post for my gate. But that was about the extent of what I got done. I actually moved the fencing a little bit, moved it around some, trying to get better organized, and get ready to run the fence posts. But I just, with the wind the way it was going, the weather the way it was, and when I got out there and started digging the hole, I was using a post hole digger, because this was like a landscape timber for the gate post, and it was slow going with the post hole digger. A lot of rock, compacted ground. I had a small little spade shovel that I was using as well. And I got to a certain point and, well, came back up to the shed and got a pickaxe. Couple inches down, probably about 6, maybe 8 inches down. Wasn't exactly asphalt, but it was like some tar covered rock. Not real thick, so it wasn't like an asphalt where it was a thick layer, but it was significant as far as what I was trying to do, and it required a pickaxe to break it up so that I could get the post hole digger deeper down. But I was encountering quite a bit of rock. We've got clay soil, or at least some of the area is clay. Once I got deep enough, I actually started getting into kind of a sandy soil. Still a lot of rock, but some sandy soil. Made it a little bit easier to get deeper. Managed to get deep enough, got my post set, backfilled, tamped it down. Hopefully it will stay in place. Hopefully it'll be solid enough. So tomorrow, we've got a couple of little things that we're doing, and then hopefully I'll be able to get out there, drill my holes in my post for my gate pins, and hopefully get the fencing pulled away from the old post that broke off at ground level, because I used fence staples to attach it to the fence, to the post last time. So I've got to get those staples out. Then I can attach the fencing to my post, get my gate hung on the post, and then start running the rest of my fence posts and get the fencing up. And I would like to get the fencing finished tomorrow. I'd like to get it up, get all the fence posts done, and get the fencing up tomorrow, but I probably won't get that far, which is unfortunate. I'm really needing to get this fencing taken care of. I really want this pasture area fenced off and usable. But the wind has finally died down. What I was seeing in the weather, it didn't look like it was supposed to rain anymore for a couple of days. So tomorrow should be dry. No, hopefully not, the kind of winds that we had today. We did lose the plastic off of the front little greenhouse. The wind just yanked it right out. I'd had some issues previously with the wind catching the plastic, but I had managed to get it back in place, and it seemed to be holding till today's wind, and it pulled it off completely. So not complete loss in some ways. I was getting ready to move a smaller greenhouse inside of this one, so that we could have a double layer of plastic with an air pocket in between the plastics, so that the interior greenhouse has a higher temperature and would be usable earlier in the spring, or actually in the late winter, without actually having to put a heat source inside of it. So this is what we're attempting. But I was getting ready to move the smaller greenhouse, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to get it inside of this other one. I was going to have to fight with the front plastic on the greenhouse. But with the plastic gone now, it makes it a lot easier. Only issue now is going to be having enough plastic to replace on both greenhouses. And I'm not sure that we have the plastic right now. So we may have to buy some more plastic to be able to do this. But I may be able to salvage some of this plastic that we just had. I might be able to plastic the inside greenhouse using this stuff, and salvage it, and then just have to do a new piece on the outer greenhouse. So I'll have to take a look, and I'm not sure just how much plastic I had left of, what we had used on the bigger greenhouse, because we had bought some really nice stuff. So, but I don't know if I have enough left. We'll have to see. But that's, that's another project in the works. Right now, main focus is taking care of the fence for the pasture, because I was also trying to get to some wood and get it split while we had a wood splitter here. Haven't managed to do that quite yet, so still working on it. So we'll see how far I can get tomorrow with the fencing, and if I can get far enough, then I can possibly do some wood splitting as well, and maybe accomplish a couple of my tasks. We'll see. But the weather today just, the wind was just horrible out there. And it made it rough doing anything. So anyways, I think that's going to do it for tonight. So once again, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. We will see everybody tomorrow. Stay safe out there.